Okay, 2020 Triumph Tiger 1200 XCX. So it's got all the bells and whistles, this one. It's got tall screen on it, hand guards, top and bottom crash bars, spotlights, headlight guard, arrow silencer, Brembo calipers, upside down forks, smoked wheels obviously, all the consumables are good history with it, 2-owner bike from new, it's got a red cover already on, red guard, nice metal top box to go with it, done 30,300 miles I believe, I'll check that in a sec. Heated grips, heated seat, hugger, quick shift, TFT screen, so really nice condition all round, cruise control, cornering A.B.S, traction control, multiple rider modes, LED lighting, we'll go for our workshop before it leaves us. As always, it does need an MOT to have a brand new one. 30,353 miles. Shaft drive, there you have it, 2020 Triumph Tiger 1200 XCX. You're welcome to come and view the bike at our showroom in Maidstone, Kent. If you do need delivery, finance or any further details, or maybe even a part exchange price for your old bike, by all means give us a call or pop along and see us. See you soon.